Hi everybody, it's been a while since I've made a video, and lately I've been looking at the plastic surgery news to see what's captivating the minds of America's public, and the world's, I should say. I gotta tell you something, one news article has captured my attention, and that is the concept of Brad Pitt's forever young appearance, and that he's approaching 60 years of age, but he looks younger perhaps than he has in the past. And of course this sparks all sorts of plastic surgery rumors, and he must have had plastic surgery. Or did he? Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Jonathan Zelken, a board-certified plastic surgeon in Newport Beach, California, here today to talk about Brad Pitt. I talked about a few celebrities in the past, and I tried to either dispel or discuss the possibility of plastic surgery. Plastic surgery is a huge undertaking. It's a big ordeal. You are taking a knife and you are cutting into a human being to try and create a change. And with that comes evidence. And it's this evidence that allows me as an expert in this field to discuss whether or not it's possible or plausible even, whether or not a celebrity or somebody that you guys care about has had plastic surgery. Now, if we go back and we look at the recent news, you'll see press coverage of Brad Pitt, who stole the limelight at the 2023 Wimbledon. If you look at the way he looks in these photos, it is kind of unbelievable that a gentleman approaching 60 years of age can look not only so handsome, but so youthful as well. And when things can't be explained, we point to plastic surgery. But as a plastic surgeon, I've got to sit here and say, did Brad Pitt have plastic surgery, or could this just be something else? And so when I study a subject like this, I really look at pictures. Pictures are really important. When a celebrity or anybody famous denies having had plastic surgery, it's really unlikely that they had it. It's possible, but it's unlikely that somebody would so vehemently deny plastic surgery. I mean, plastic surgery, if you're a celebrity, is kind of an investment in yourself and in your future. So you'd say, sure, I had plastic surgery and I look great, so be it. But if somebody doesn't admit to it or denies it, it's not really fair to say that they had plastic surgery. And this is a concept I've brought up in the past. So because he doesn't openly admit to it or respond to these saying, yeah, I had it and this is my surgeon, he did a great job, I'm going to tell you this. I don't think Brad Pitt had plastic surgery. And here's how I came to my conclusion. Number one, pre-existing good looks. Brad Pitt's always been really good looking with an excellent facial skeletal structure. He has good skin quality, and I'm sure he preserves his skin quality with excellent skincare and measures like sun exposure avoidance and other things like avoiding cigarettes and alcohol to keep his looks looking so good. May he have had little procedures, Botox fillers, and things like that to spruce him up? Sure, it's possible. But really, he is a good looking guy, and by investing in skincare routines and other lifestyle changes to stay healthy, to eat well, to avoid sun exposure. I'm sure he uses sunscreen and things like that. That's how he preserves his good looks. That's the most important thing. Number two, I was looking at certain angles and he's looking up and he's looking down, looking to the left, looking to the right. I'm looking for telltale signs of plastic surgery. In a male facelift, we typically will go just behind the sideburn in a pre-existing crease, underneath the earlobe, back and into the hairline. And when you're turning your head certain directions, at the very least, you're going to see certain pleats and other changes of the skin that can indicate, at least to an expert, that you've had plastic surgery or a facelift. But there's simply no evidence of it. At one of the photos I saw, I thought I saw maybe a shadow or something near his right earlobe, but then when you go back and look in the past, he's had this before. This is something that he's had all of his life. So there's really no change to the ear lobule position, or there's no evidence of scar formation in even these high quality photos. He's got some where he's looking up. I don't see any evidence of scarring in the chin. So really there's no photographic evidence whatsoever that he's had plastic surgery, because plastic surgery leads to scars and other tissue changes that experts can recognize even if the public can't. Number 3, evaluation of serial photographs. you look at Brad Pitt, it's not like there was one point in the past where he looked really haggard or old and all of a sudden it changed. He's always looked good. The reason that he got a lot of press is that he's got kind of a boyish young haircut. He shaved his face so he doesn't have those salt and pepper sort of beard hairs that you've seen in the past. And most importantly, he's wearing sunglasses. If you've got a youthful, boyish face and you've got good skeletal structure and you're holding your head in good posture without looking down or to the left or the right, and you're looking at the camera or watching a tennis match with your neck in a sort of, good, attractive position, and you've got a boyish haircut and you're wearing glasses that cover the one sign of aging on your face, which is deep crow's feet and a little bit of excessive upper eyelid skin, then that's a magical formula for looking surprisingly youthful at 59 years of age. So, do I think Brad Pitt had plastic surgery? Number one, doesn't admit it. Number two, there's no evidence for it. And number three, as a professional and as an expert in this subject, I don't think Brad Pitt had a facelift. He's just good looking. Deal with it. So if you guys have any, retorts or there's evidence to the contrary and you wish to discuss this, I'm all ears. I am equally fascinated by how good he looks at his age as you guys do. But the truth is, some people age better than others. Some people have better looks than others. And we have to respect and celebrate that. So that's my spiel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions or comments, please do comment below. I'll do my best to respond. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications on. I will do my best to stay regular and keep my channel updated. Thanks so much.